In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings and click on connection and sharing. Now tap on printing section and select default print service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service though, you need to disable this one by tapping on blue switcher at the top. Then go back and get your service, by tapping on add service and installing the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new print service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!